Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to perform a reverse image search using Google. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind finding the source of any image. Ever come across a captivating image and wondered where it came from? Let's learn how to do a reverse image search using Google. Open your web browser and go to Google by typing www.google.com. Now click on the search by image option located at the right corner of the search bar. Here, you have two options here. You can either paste the URL of the image you want to search for, or you can upload the image directly from your computer. So we will choose the upload file here. Go here. After clicking search, Google worked its magic. And that's it, you've just learned how to perform a reverse image search using Google. Now you can find the original source of an image, discover similar images, and gather more information about what you're seeing online. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to reverse image search using Google. Now you're equipped with a valuable skill that will help you navigate the vast realm of online images. See you on my next video.